Cybersecurity is hard. Anyone who tells you that it's easy and you can get into cybersecurity in just 90 days without any certification or any training or a university or anything like that is lying to you. The reason I have recorded this video is to give you a clear idea of what you need to do and know to navigate this journey in the best possible way. You see, cybersecurity is vast and there are many nuances for people trying to break into this field. In order for you to get there and get that dream cybersecurity job, you need to have certain characteristics and follow specific steps. When I say cybersecurity is hard, I don't mean to stop you from getting there. I'm not a gatekeeper, guys. What I mean is that you need to have the right expectation from the get-go and from the beginning. You need to have a solid information and foundation and know how systems work together in an IT environment. You need to understand how network works, how computers and endpoint devices communicate together, the architectural design of an environment, network flow, and monitoring, logging activities, and everything inside that IT environment, how they are tied together. You need to understand how to protect endpoints, web servers, network devices, all these kind of things. That is why it's important to have that foundation. When we talk about basics and foundation, that's what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, many people skip this part. When they're invited for an interview, they fail on simple questions like TCP/IP, DNS, operating systems and things like that. And what do you expect? If you fail to answer these simple questions, why do you think that hiring manager should hire you? Are they nuts? And that is why they say cybersecurity is hard and it's not an entry-level job. Because a lot of people skip the first part, the foundation. You're going to have a hard time when you're doing the advanced stuff and really niche targeted skills in cybersecurity. Most of the people are lazy, to be honest, guys. They just want fast and quick results. They are not willing to put in the hard work and go through the basics and learn the foundation. That's why they say it's hard, because you have to get really good at the basics. But let me tell you this, guys, doing anything worthwhile in life is going to be hard. If it was easy, everyone else would do this. Everyone would be able to earn six-figure salary, work remotely from home, and do all the cool stuff in cybersecurity. But that's not the case. Not everyone is cut out for this. You need to learn the basics and understand how everything works within an IT environment. You need to have a high-level overview of how all the pieces are put together. It's hard because it's going to take time. You cannot get it done in just a month or 2 months or 3 months. Yes, some people do it and that's possible. We actually had students in our program that managed to do this. But you see, they had the basic already. If you're in the beginning of your journey into the cybersecurity industry, you have to put in the work, learn the basics, then work on the advanced topics. Don't skip TCP/IP, don't skip the networking fundamentals and everything like that. And I'm going to assure you, I'm not trying to be a gatekeeper in the industry. It's not like that, but you have to have a clear expectation. The purpose of this video is to make it clear that yes, it's possible to start your cybersecurity journey without any experience, but you need to learn the basics and have hands-on skills on what companies actually want. It's not going to be easy, but it's possible. If I, with a broken English, managed to do it, you can do it too. There is no excuses. You're going to compete with a lot of other people who are trying to achieve the same goal just like you. You have to put in the hard work, you have to get better than them, and you have to be at the top of your game. If you only have certifications, get more practical hands-on experience. Do some free projects for people. Gain that experience. If you're struggling to get interviews, network with other people on LinkedIn. Message people, talk to people, attend networking events. Do the work. Because if you quit, you'll lose. If you like this type of content, make sure to let me know in the comment section, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.